Whether young or old, who doesn't like drinking cola in the summer season? While cola was originally used as a medicine in ancient times, nowadays people drink it like water. But do you know how it's made in the factory? If not, then let's get started without any delay. I'll tell you how cola is prepared in the factory, and also whether it is harmful to our health or not. The process of making cola begins with preparing the syrup. For this, sugar is first poured into a machine. Let me tell you here, syrup is prepared using 50 kilograms of sugar at a time. On one side, water keeps flowing in, while on the other side, sugar is added. Both ingredients are mixed well and cooked to prepare the syrup. Similarly, the syrup is prepared every hour. After adding sugar and water, the machine is turned on and left to prepare the syrup. Once the syrup is perfectly cooked and ready, it is sent to another machine. Here, you can see that on one side, the sugary water is flowing in, and on the other side, chemicals are added. Because no cold drink can be made without chemicals, the first step involves adding chemicals. In this way, both types of chemicals are poured into the machine. Next comes the turn to add the cola mixture. The cola mixture is pre-prepared and then poured into the machine. The machine is turned on, with water coming in from one side and the cola mixture from the other. Now, both ingredients are thoroughly mixed, and once blended, our cola mixture is ready. It is then slowly heated, cooled, and reheated to perfection. Here you can see that our cold drink mixture is perfectly prepared. Now comes the step of adding gas. Let me tell you, any cold drink you consume contains gas, which is nitrogen. Gas is added from one side, while on the other side, bottles are prepared. For this, small plastic capsules are poured into a machine, which heats and shapes them into bottles. Once the bottles are ready, they are sent forward. Here you can see small, beautiful bottles freshly prepared. These bottles are then placed into another machine one by one. Meanwhile, on the other side, the filling process begins. First, the bottles are thoroughly cleaned by the machine. Water is poured into each bottle to remove any dirt, ensuring they are perfectly clean. This entire process is automated. Here, you can see water being poured into each bottle and then drained to clean them before sending them forward. The next machine's job is to transfer the clean bottles to the other side. Now, the large machine you see here is where the cola is filled. Each bottle is filled one by one, and then it's time to cap them. Once all the cola bottles are perfectly filled, they are sent to another side where caps are pre-prepared. The cap container is opened, and a bucket full of caps is poured into the machine. Here, you can see the bright red caps ready to be used. This machine's job is to take the caps and seal them onto the bottles automatically. One by one, all the bottles are capped and then sent forward. Here, you can see our cola is perfectly ready. However, it's not as cold as you'd like it to be when drinking. If it's not cooled, no one would want to drink it. And secondly, it wouldn't last long. That's why it's placed inside a large cooling machine. This machine's job is to chill all the bottles. After cooling, it's time for packaging and labeling. First, a beautiful label is attached to each bottle. The conveyor belt moves each bottle forward, and a round machine wraps a lovely red label around them before sending them ahead. Here, you can see how beautifully each bottle is labeled. Now comes the final step, packaging them to be delivered to your homes. The bottles are sent forward one by one on the conveyor belt, arranged into 3 or 4 lines. Then, 4 lines of bottles are taken, and 24 bottles are packed together. They are tightly wrapped in plastic box, and now our cola is ready to reach your homes, perfectly prepared. Now, the question is it harmful or not? Well, brother, if you don't have any problem consuming sugar, then how is this harmful? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with your friends.